Welcome back, folks, to a long overdue version of From Ruined to Refreshed here at MLM Midlife Models. PJ here, and I've been sent a very special gift from a friend of mine, Michael, at Gravesend, Australia, Diecast Restoration. I hope I get that right, Michael. And he knows I'm a bit of a Batman nut, and he's sent me a Batplane, or the Batwing, as it's known as in the movie. This is from the 1989 Michael Keaton movie, and it's made by ERTL. It's not a dinky or a corgi, and it doesn't look too bad. But what you can't see, because it's black, it's very scuffed around all the edges. So we're going to take it apart and give it a respray, and hopefully by the time we've given it a respray, I'll have some decals done. I'm waiting for a new part to come from my printer, my laser printer. That's due in a couple of days, so let's get this apart and get the tools out and see what we can do with this one, and I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome back, folks, to the reveal of our ERTL Batwing from the 1989 Michael Keaton Batman movie. Coincidentally, this was supplied to me by my good friend Michael, who comes to us from Gravesend, Australia, Diecast Salvage. I won't get it right this time, Michael. A big thank you to Michael for sending it over to me. He knows I'm a bit of a Batman nut. And it was a pleasure getting this one done. He asked me to do a video of it, and here we go. So what did we do? Well, a few modifications really. I added headlights, just a bit of white paint, a few dots of red paint where the missiles would go, a couple of very subtle Batman logos, blinking you'll miss and they're quite faded, and give it a more stealthy black satin look, and I really like it. So there you go, my interpretation of the Batwing. And once again, thanks to Michael, who's also a member of our DMC. You can come and find us on Facebook. Have a look for Diecast and Modelers Community, and you'll find other like-minded individuals there. We have our get-together on a Friday night, our tavern, where we have a virtual pub, and we spill the beans on everything about die-casts, models, life in general, and have a few cans to boot. So there you go, it's good to be back. This is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.